Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I am Mr. Sicko, and if you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. Make sure to smash that like button if you found any kind of value. Make sure to subscribe to, because on this channel we do a lot of videos like this every single day or on daily basis, and make sure to turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any. And let's keep it as simple, short, and beginner friendly as possible as always. So as you can see right here, you have 1 inch token with the Tether token or the Tether US dollar, and 1 inch at the moment is sitting at price of right around $2.62 or $2.62. Today we are down 9 cents or approximately 3.56%, but it is what it is. Though we're still early into the morning, like 5:35 a.m. So yeah, it is what it is. This is the UTC time. So yeah, overall we are really down in this prediction. I'll just say that it was kind of right, because we can just like look at these lines, but yeah, let's just delete that. So this is more clearer at the moment, and we are in a clear downtrend again from like 15th of May, and we were just pushing down back from like here, and it was back in May, yeah, actually at the beginning of May actually, yeah. So yeah, we started pushing to the downside, but it is what it is. Though we're not really concerned about that, and we are in that retest area. So this whole area is where we want to buy, so we don't miss on this 1 inch retest area movement. Okay, we're still in this red zone. This is why it is red. Don't miss on this opportunity, guys. And in the future, when I make video about this, like 3 to 4 years from now, I will say, oh yeah, I was right, and I'm pretty happy about that. So yeah, I'm not a financial advisor though. Do your own thing, do your own due diligence, and do your own research. And yeah, this is it. If you want to support the channel, like the video, it will help me a lot. And if you want to earn free money up to $40, go into the links into the description down below, and I will be seeing you guys soon. Peace out and have a great day for the rest of your day.